Hello, today we're going to be looking at how to apply a reference clip to a page in CG Tools. These are really useful when trying to match your animations in CG Tools to an external video or just a general guide for the correct timings you want to use. Here is the video we're going to use as our reference clip, and it's just a football versus page. So we're going to open up our CG Tools, and this is Pixel Prep version 10, but it'll also work in Pixel Prep version 11 and Clarity version 10 and 11. So we're just going to double click this first page. We're going to right click in the edit view and edit page settings. Then you can go into extra properties tab, and here is the reference clip settings. Now the reference clip can be used from the current background clip which is applied to the page, or just a separate clip altogether. Now we're going to select a clip. These can either be a PPV or a QuickTime MOV. So you need to locate your video clip. Mine is in the emulator clip store under reference clips. And here is my reference clip, which is a PPV. And press OK. In order for the reference clip to appear, you have to right click and put display reference clip. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift and C to turn it off and on. Now the reference clip won't actually work until there's a 3D object in the page. So we're just going to create a cube, and you'll see the reference clip now starts to move. Now the frames in the timeline should accurately match the frames of the reference clip. One more setting you can change is the point at which the reference clip starts. Say if you wanted the clip to start 10 frames in, so just before the text starts to animate, you then have to once again right click, edit page settings, and set the reference clip to start at -10. Therefore it will be 10 frames in. So if you go to 0, the reference clip is actually at 10 frames in. Obviously, we recommend that you create the reference clip time to match the page, therefore it doesn't get too confusing. Now you need to remember that once you close the job and reopen it, if you go back into the page, you will notice that the reference clip by default are turned off, so you just have to turn them on again. Finally, once you've finished editing and creating the page, I recommend that you actually remove the reference clip. So you can do this by right clicking, edit page settings, set it to none. Therefore this will no longer be included in a job package or a job publish further down the line. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions.